This video is sponsored by Reolink. Alright, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to be going over a product here by Reolink. This is a solar floodlight camera. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it to the barn, and we're going to go over all the specs, and I'm going to give you my true, honest opinion on this camera and what I think about it. And we're going to take it all the way to the barn over there. We're going to get it hooked up to the barn. So thanks Reolink for sending me this camera. I'm going to get it set up here. Let's see how it goes. On the underside here of the floodlight, this is where you put the cables. There's a type C spot, and here's the micro SD, which they sent me as well, which I'll put in here. So your type C and your power micro SD. I'll give you a nice look at it before I put it up. Here's the underside. This looks like the lights, and here's your solar panel. So this does come with an app that I'm going to install and a lot of great features that I'll go over, but let me get this thing hooked up and see what it's all about. So for the first use, it says to actually use this cord to get it fully charged before you install it. Alright, I'm going to let that do its thing, let it charge, come back in a little bit. I'll show you the mount that it came with while that thing is charging. So this right here, it's got the little holes. I'm going to install this right there on that wood, and then this will attach just like this when it's on there. And then it's nice and tight, and the camera will be attached here. So let's see how this goes. So while it's charging, I'm going to complete the setup. It says here to do some stuff here. So I'm going to get that done before I get it installed again. I'm not going to show you that part and bore you. This tool they gave you is meant to go in like this. You can easily use this to tighten it onto the base. So in case you're curious what internet I'm going to be connecting to, I do have a Wi-Fi router in here. Reolink does have a plan as well you can sign up for if you don't have Wi-Fi. So if you want to put it like in the middle of the field or something where you don't have Wi-Fi reaching there, you can opt for their LTE plan. Biggest thing that drew me to them is that it's solar power. So I hope this thing really does work well. We'll see how it goes. Shop Reolink with my link. Save 5% off Reolink products with my exclusive code, Paleos5. Scan the QR code to shop. Coupon valid through the end of the year. Links are in the description. Well, it's the next day. I had some stuff I had to take care of, but we're going to set this camera up now. I found actually a better spot where I'm going to put this camera, and it's going to have a good view of the barn area, the horses, and people to drive in. And what's great about this camera is that it's a floodlight as well, and it's got these powerful lights here. So let's get this set up. I'm going to put it on this post right here, and should be pretty nice. I may move it over here somewhere in the future, but we'll see how it goes. Another reason I like this spot, again, it's a solar camera, so I get tons of sun right here, so this thing will always stay charged. It's pretty simple to install, it seems like. All you gotta do is take this thing off here, and then there's little holes here, if you can see. Screw it on. All right, we got that piece mounted like so. Pretty simple. I actually swapped out my own screws for it. These are outdoor rated screws and will last a very long time. And now we're just gonna screw this part in here. And it came with this piece as well to help you put it in. So let's do that right now. All right, there you go. We got it installed. Got tons of space for sun, obviously. There's nothing blocking it. Here's the lights. Put them like that. We'll see how this works at nighttime. So we'll come back at nighttime, see how this works, and I'll show you how the camera works as well. I'll show you it on the app, how it all looks. But it's angled facing the barn, the horses, and as cars and different trucks roll in, I can see and monitor this place. Super nice. All right, I got the app in my hand here. I just want to see how this works. Looks like it's working pretty well. It's pretty smooth. I selected the clear option. There's a clear option that you can select to make it really high def. All right, I'm gonna head to the house. I'm gonna get the keys for the tractor. Let's see how well it picks up movement of like a tractor moving by. I'll also get in my car, drive that around. And I just wanna see that it picks it up pretty well. Seems like it's doing really well right now. Stick around later in the video. I'm gonna do a night test. Let's see how well the night mode works on this thing. I'm watching it on my phone here, and as I passed it in real time, it was almost instant. So this thing is it's pretty nice. What's great about the Reolink is you can also monitor your chickens. Hello. Let me show you this new building I'm working on here. Well, it's almost done, but what I'm thinking is I'm gonna put another Reolink actually maybe over here on this tree, or I might put another post somewhere, and I'll put another one right here to monitor this section and the chicken run right here. Maybe we'll put one, I don't know, maybe even in the coop. I'll put one right here, we'll see. But yeah, this will be another good section. What's great is you can pair multiple Reolink cameras together. You manage all of it in the app. The app honestly seems very easy to use. So yeah, I got the camera right over there in that post, and it's monitoring this entire area. Super nice. All right, we're gonna do a night test now, so stick around, that's next. Let's take a quick look in the barn. Let's see if the chickens laid any eggs today. They usually have been laying eggs in here. Let's see. All right, we got one in here. This is Sully right here, who was in the camera that you saw outside there. That's his stall that leads to the run. Well, thanks again Reolink for sending me the camera. It's been about a week since I fully used this camera now, and I'm not gonna lie, that thing is awesome. Solar powered, I never have to charge it. I don't have to pay any monthly fees for the setup for the service, which is awesome, and it works amazing. So again, I'll put all the links in the description. Scan the QR code right here. At checkout, use coupon code Paleos5. You'll get 5% off on all the things you shop for. It doesn't just have to be this floodlight camera. Highly recommend this camera. Well, thanks for watching. I'll put all the links in the description and everything I can find on this camera that'll help you make your decision here.